Hi everybody, my name is Hassan Doumbia. I'm going to talk about documents that's required to apply for the Mexico visa, right? Basically, before proceeding further, we have to have like about 8 documents or 7 documents to apply for the Mexico visa. It depends on which country you are. At first, number one, you have to have original passport copy, right? So if you have your original of your passport copy, it should be valid for at least 6 months with at least 2-page blank, right? Then you have to have the country of residence which you are, right? If you are in another country, you have to have their residence, right? At least 3 months validity, right? Then you have to have 2 photographs, right? You have 2 photographs, that is white background. Then you should also have non-objection certificate or letter from your embassy. It depends, letter from your embassy or foreign affairs that you are a citizen of that country. So these are all supportive documents. You should address it to the Mexican embassy. Then also you have to have like if you have your business or your trade license, you are doing any business in your country, you can also attach your business document to it. Or if you have your land, your house paper, your business, your assets, you can also attach this document to the application form. These are called supportive documents. Then point number 6, you have to have original bank statement, which is for 3 months. So for 3 months, you will show that you have been putting money in your account, right? You have to have bank statement. So in that context, right, if you have a bank account, you can get this certificate from the bank. Then also you can take it to your foreign affairs, or they have where you can attest it, just to put the country stamp there that this is not fraud, this is original document. So with all of those supportive documents, it can help you to acquire the visa. Then also another option, which is point number 7, you should have an international credit card, right? So that simply means that your bank account, at least if you have your credit card, you have a proof that this is my ID card, this is my credit card. So I'm banking with this bank, and this is where I can use to support my travel, my PTA, that is pocket travel allowance, right? So we're talking about which are the documents needed to apply for this Mexican visa, right? First of all, you need your application form. You have to have the authentic application form to apply, which is also online. Then also you have to have travel insurance. Then you have to have hotel reservation. All these are cheap to get, they are less expensive. So it's better for someone to know this document, that you need to have your bank statement. Then you have to have travel insurance, right? You can get it from any one of these agencies that are selling tickets. Then you have to have travel hotel reservation. Hotel reservation also, you can book for a hotel. Then you cannot pay at that particular moment. When you reach there, you can pay for it. Then you also have a flight ticket to and from, right? A dummy, you can just apply for it. Then also you should have an NOC, right? They can ask your embassy, or you can ask your foreign affairs. You ask your foreign affairs in your country to help you out with this document. So another point I'm going to talk about is like how to use that the form, the Mexican form, how you can use the Mexican form to apply, right? So in this Mexican form, in the Mexico form, which are the questions they are going to ask? Basically, this is the Mexican form. As you can see, the Mexican form, they will ask you your name, right? Are you seeing it? You can see they will ask you your name, give your name, your surname, then your sex, male or female, that is 4 questions. Then your date of birth, then your country of travel, country or temporary, right, of birth, right? Then also you're talking about your passports or travel. right? You have to highlight your passport expiring date or issue date. Yeah. Then point number 10, you have to put your marital status, right? Whether you are single, married, or common law. Then 11 question says your current residence address, where you stay. Then point number 12, you have to put question number 12, you have to put your phone number. Then 13, your email. Then 14, your occupation. Then 15, you have to put your company name that you are working, or institution, right? Then point number 16, country of residence. If you have any residence for any country, you can also attach it. Then point number 17, your local migration status, right? Then 18 question, you have you ever been convicted of any criminal offense in Mexico or other country? Yes or no? Then also 19 says, if you select yes, please provide explanation. Then the other question talk about purpose and information of your travel. That is question 20. Dates you plan to travel to Mexico, you have to put the date. Then also point 21, the city of entry, where the state of entry where you want to enter, right? Then the length of period you want to stay, whether less than 180 days or between 180 days or 4 years. It depends. Then 23 questions say, have you visited Mexico before? No or yes? Then point 24 says, have you ever been ordered to leave Mexico, or if you have been deported or other thing, you have entered there. Then point 25, if you select yes, please provide an explanation why they send you out of their country. Then 26 says, what is the purpose of your visit to Mexico, right? Then you're talking about minors or dependents, right? Minors and dependents means that the people that they are benefiting from you, right? Your children, So this says that parents or legal or appointed guardians must fill this application, right? Then a list of support documents attached to this application. So all the documents that you will attach, if you have your bank statement, your business paper, your land paper, and your educational paper, so every document that you will attach, the photocopy, but you should try to have stamp from your embassy or any institution, right? Let's say you can even go to the how they call it, it depends, your foreign affairs in your country. You can pay money, then they authenticate, right? They attest your documents. So the consulate, we understand that your documents are original, are authentic. So that stamp of every country is more important, right? So then also you have to sign applicant's name and signature, or if you have any guidance or your parents, they should also sign, right? So then also you can sign it. So these are the basic way how you can apply for the Mexican visa. So you just need your bank statement, travel insurance, hotel reservation. If you don't have invitation, you use your hotel reservation. So the address of the hotel that you are going to stay is which you are